How is a algebraic equation like a balance scale? So I talked about this in last week's lesson about how having any equation is essentially like a balance scale. And so this middle piece of the balance scale here, I like to visualize as being the equal sign. And if I want my scales on each side of the center to be balanced, so if I want this side to be balanced, so to be equal to this side, they both have to have the same value or the same amount in them. I'm going to use the problem that we just solved with 2x plus 7 from working on it together. So on the right side, which I've highlighted here in blue in the picture, I have a value of 29. So I know that this side of my equation has to be 29. In order for my algebraic equation to be equal, so to have the same value on each side, the other side also has to be worth 29. And what we know from already having solved the previous question is that the value of x here was 11. So if I'm multiplying 2 times 11 and then I'm adding 7, well, 2 times 11 is 22, plus 7 is 29. So both sides of my algebraic equation are equal, which is why I'm able to have that equal sign. They are balanced with the same value on each side.